Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 2.9.6 and we are going to view the content of files. So you are experiencing a few issues on your Linux system that you think are related to either your terminal's environment settings or the shells being used. You need to view the files that will tell you information about your terminal. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, the task is to view the content of the file /root/.bash_profile, answer question 1, view the content of the file /etc/shells, and then answer question 2. So that is all we need to do for this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. And if you need further details on how to solve all the lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where I give exclusive insider specs and one-on-one detailed video guidance on how to solve any lab at all. So let's just hold on for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab is loaded. Let's go ahead and open terminal. And we're going to type in cat/root .bash_profile. And that is it. Press enter. So let's go ahead and answer question 1. What is the last word in the file? So the last word in the file is path. We'll minimize this and then we'll continue working on the terminal. So we are going to type in cat/etc/shell. Press enter. And then let us answer the questions. Which shells are available on your system? That is going to be, let's see, it's going to be this. Yep. Let's see. It's going to be this and this, and I think this. Yep. So we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need insider specs or one-on-one detailed video explanation on how to solve any lab at all, you may want to consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.